Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, not a whole lot to report in terms of new technical levels if you've watched past videos, but a whole lot to report in terms of how strong today actually was. I mean, let's set up the context here. A very nasty gap down where the price opened up right there, and then even after the gap down, the price dropped slightly more. So it started off with a little miniature red candle. But you can see that since then, the price was able to recover back, back upwards. And yeah, I get it recovered back upwards. But the significance of the quote-unquote back upwards is that the price got up above that green line once again, which would have been really bad had the price stayed down below that, because from a technical point of view, that would have been known as a technical breakdown. And assuming you're bullish, you don't want to see technical breakdowns. You want to see breakouts, but not breakdowns. But again, that's kind of a moot point because the price was strong enough to not only get back up to 45.50, which again is the value of that green line there, but actually close up above it. So from that angle of things, yeah, nothing new has really changed. 45.50 is still that key level of support. But, within the context of that is, well, it was a very, very impressive recovery for the price to be able to get back up above it. So sure, today there wasn't necessarily any breakouts or anything like that, but a good sign of strength to be able to get back above 45.50. And going forward, yeah, like I said, nothing new, but that level right there at 45.50 remains that key level of support. Now, on the flip side of things, again, nothing necessarily new here to report in terms of areas of resistance. Still all about that $50 mark to watch moving forward. I will say, though, I'm interested in this area of resistance right here, this trend line here that's starting to form. And, I'm going to go ahead and just change that up a little bit so it stands out. But we'll just make it there. So keep a close eye on that. And I'm curious, like I said, can the price break above there? Or is that some sort of leading indicator of more selling pressure that has shown up? But, that's just speculation on my part. For all we know, maybe it's getting ready to blast up through there and then get back up to the $50 mark. But these are going to be the main levels to watch headed into Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.